Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy M14 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to change call background in your phone Samsung Galaxy M14 5G. If you receive any incoming call, you will have call background on your display. See here, I am receiving a call now. See here, this is the call background. Okay, this pink color background is showing. So if you want to change this background to your own, yes, you can do it. What you have to do is go to this call button and go to this three vertical dots, click on settings, and here click on call background, and here click on background, and here you can select. Okay, you can select any background. These are only available options. If you want to set your own background, click on plus symbol. You can select photo as a background. Click on gallery and then click on camera folder and select any file here. I am selecting this file and click on set as call background, and hereafter call background will be what you have selected from gallery. Okay, see here, I am making a call from another phone, and I am checking now. See here, call background is now changed. Okay, so in this way you can easily set any call background in your phone Samsung Galaxy M14 5G. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.